Okay, so here's a little good time to make a quick explanation. I installed the box rail with lag bolts, but then the weight of the door made me a little, wary of the strength of those lag bolts. So I got some like carriage bolts, and now I'm attaching the box rail back up. I got the siding up. I had to put the siding up first because the siding was too thick. I couldn't install the box rail then the siding because the door, when it slides, it would scrape up against the siding and like rub the paint off or make it, it just wouldn't look good. So I got all the siding up, now I'm putting the box rail back on. I'm just working solo here, so I have to put a wrench on the other side, on the outside, and then come in here and tighten from the inside. I don't want to get it too tight because you want to get the box rail in those little hangers before you tighten it down, because as you tighten it down, they grab onto the box rail and keep it from, I guess, moving or whatever. But quick little mid-project update. Alright, just finished up some of the siding. As you can see, I made a metal. I used a chunk of angle iron that I had from this old gate that I'd made years ago. That is going to be, I just made like a sort of like a, I guess like a kick plate or something. I don't know. just like a guard on the edge there so that the siding doesn't get messed up just from going in and out of the shed door. Next is going to be I'm going to make a handle for the door. I'm going to make the C-channel, the little thing that I don't know, it's like a stop. I'm doing like a full length stop for the door so that when it closes, it kind of goes into into a channel. And I got a chunk of steel, a C-channel for that. And then I'll be closing up the other door and walling that off with some of the pieces, just the extra pieces that I used to cut this hole. And then, and then I should be pretty much finished, other than, just arranging the inside and making it more usable. But pretty cool. Thanks for watching.